Hi friends, I'm Dr. Madhuri Patil, the Clinical Director of Dr. Patil's Fertility and Endoscopy Clinic at Bangalore, and I'm also the Editor-in-Chief for Journal of Human Reproductive Sciences and official journal of ISAR. I invite you all for a live webinar on 27th of February at 3 p.m. where I would be talking on evidence for reproductive surgery in female infertility. All of us are aware that reproductive surgery forms an integral part of management of an infertile couple, where we use it both for diagnostic as well as therapeutic purposes. In several patients, it also is complementary before IVF to increase its success. But one must remember that reproductive surgery is not necessary in all patients, and so do listen to this webinar to know more about the evidence for reproductive surgery in female infertility. My thanks to Zydus for sponsoring the event for ISAR and DocMore, the digital knowledge marketing platform, for taking this educational initiative ahead. Thank you.